What up guys, it's Zach from Modified World, back with another Forza video, and we're going to do a wheel spin build. So I'm going to spin the wheel, and the first car I get, we're going to just do some type of build with it. It has to be a car of like some decency, can't be something terrible. There we go, we got some money to use for it. We're going to try to build it like a budget build though. Or now, let's just go all out with it. Alright. A GSX. Let's go home. We gotta do a burnout test with it. Let's get some revs of it. Let's look inside of her. Looks pretty legit. Let's rev it. Sounds pretty sick. Let's see if she can roast him. Did a pretty fine job. Kind of grabbed second. Didn't really want to get into second, but she moves like a slug. But you know, she's a big, heavy old girl, full body weight, full metal car. Better watch out, crowd. Mustang. I know this thing's not going to be going good at all because it's only got 3 gears. We'll see what she does. Spinning in first. Hooks in second. She's going a little wobbly. Slow as molasses. What was that? Speed trap. Like 120 something. It's pretty slow, but we're gonna do old girl right. See if she can do some donuts. She gets down. Let's see when we get in second. Oh, she's in second. She's bogging though. Not bad. But we're gonna go do some customizations on this thing. Please tell me there's some mods you can do. Conversions? Oh, we're gonna. Oh, okay. You can put a diesel in this thing? We was gonna do a budget build, but who wants to do a budget build, you know? That's what I'm saying. Plus 1,140 horsepower, 8.9 liter V8 DSC. Handling's terrible though when you do that. We'll just do the 7.2 liter all-wheel drive swap. Might as well. We're getting crazy with this thing. Twin turbo for sure. Oh yeah, this thing's gonna get crazy. Gotta have aero. What was that? We'll do the little drag wing. Gotta do the cow hood. Have to do that. Wheels will do that last. It's gotta get a 7-speed. Race driveline. Race diff. Gotta get some big brakes. Gotta stop. Drift springs on the ground. Gotta do that. Gotta have some race sway bars. It's gotta have a roll cage because we're a drag car. And then let's see what kind of. Yeah, this thing's gonna be nuts. Oh yeah, this thing's crazy looking. We gotta get some. What kind of tires we want? Vintage tires. That does look kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. If we do drag compound, it better let us put some fat tires on the back of this thing. I'm gonna be upset if there isn't. Oh, there is. 345s. Look at that. Meat. That's all the meat. We'll get the tires in just a second. We could do a skinny in the front, like a 17, and then we'll do like a. I just want to do 18 almost looks too big. A 17 and a 16 in the front. Then we'll push these tires out like that so it looks more realistic. We'll do those right there. And then let's see what kind of specialized wheels we can get on this bad boy. Could do drag tires, but they just don't. The welds don't do. This game don't do welds justice. That's what I'm trying to say. Mickey Thompson's. I just kind of upset how the wheels look in this game. Those are like truck wheels. Now, these look kind of good. Yeah, we'll do those. Those look pretty tough. What are those? Weld Racing, Master, or whatever it is, beadlocks. Those look pretty tough. I wonder if you make them smaller, it looks better. It does. Downsize our wheels. Oh, shoot. Look at that. 1,356 horsepower. And it only weighs 3,100 pounds. This thing's about to move out. Gotta paint it. Wherever the paint's at. Let's see. That's not doing that. Let's do color fine tune here, boys and girls. Let's see what we can do. Red would probably look nasty on this thing. I just don't know if I like red that much, to be honest. Kind of looks like throw up. Okay, that looks good. Beadlocks. I'm usually not a fan of black, but white brakes, yeah. Tint the windows, yes, sir. This thing might pop a wheelie, honestly. Thing looks 10 times better already. Look at this thing. Yeah, listen to how it sounds now. I don't know if this thing will be able to do a burnout now. Let's see what kind of burnout this thing does. I really want to do a burnout, it's just too fast now. She's just too fast now, look at that. Let's see, I bet this thing hits 200 miles an hour now. Yeah, this thing's already fast, dude. Holy Jesus. Yeah, this thing is quick. It legit hit 200 miles an hour. I probably should have put an 8-speed in this thing. Better slow down before I total this thing out. Let's see what it sounds like inside now. Dude, that's insane. Let's see what kind of burnout donut it does now. It has no problem roasting the tires now. That's third gear, letting it go, fourth gear. Dude, this thing is nasty. Just kind of slap the crowd, that's alright. Sorry, old buff out. Dude, this thing rolls out. Like 200 miles an hour. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed this little video of the mod of a Wheelspin Buick. I think it turned out pretty good. This thing's 1,300 horsepower, and it gets down. It goes 200 miles an hour when it would just go like 120. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace out.